Welcome to this video on the Argentine peso, a cycle of rebirth defined not by continuity, but by 13 zeros lost and 5 distinct currencies in 50 years. Since 1970, the Argentine currency has undergone 4 major redenominations, stripping a total of 13 zeros from its face value. This shows the incredible power of these 13 zeros. The gold standard era from 1881 to 1929 brought stability. Law No. 1130 ended monetary anarchism, and the currency traded at par with gold and major world currencies for decades. From the 1930s to 1969, the gold standard was abandoned in 1929, leading to a slow unraveling. The 1-to-1 parity with gold slid to 25-to-1 by the late 60s. In 1970, the law of 18.188 introduced the peso ley, dropping 2 zeros. 1 peso ley equaled 100 old pesos, but this lasted only 13 years before collapsing under political turmoil. The short-lived peso argentino arrived with the return of democracy in 1983. It dropped 4 more zeros, but was canceled after just 2 years due to hyperinflation. The austral experiment, from 1985 to 1991, saw hyperinflation peak in July 1989 with 200% inflation in a single month. 3 more zeros were dropped, bringing the cumulative total to 9. The convertible era began in 1992 with a 1-to-1 peg fixed by law. 1 peso equaled 1 USD, backed by 100% reserves. This dropped the final 4 zeros, accumulating 13 in total. In January 2002, the peg broke, ending convertibility. This led to an immediate 75% devaluation, with the rate moving to 4 pesos per dollar and a return to the managed float. From 2011 to 2023, strict capital controls, or CEPOs, fueled a gap between the official rate and the illegal blue or parallel market rate. In 2023, this gap widened significantly. December 2023 saw the Great Correction, an overnight 54% devaluation, moving the official rate from 366.5 to 800 Argentine pesos per USD, aiming to close the gap with reality. The year 2025 projects stabilization and the currency band. An IMF agreement establishes a free float band, aiming for convergence of official and parallel rates, and an inflation target of 31.4% by November 2025. The 2025 wallet will feature high denominations. New 10,000 and 20,000 peso notes, issued in 2024, reflect the high price environment as smaller bills and coins become obsolete. This historical cycle illustrates the mathematics of survival. A total of 13 zeros have been removed across 4 redenominations, defining a history of constant adaptation. The horizon is focused on defending the band. Central bank and U.S. Treasury intervention is projected to ensure stability and sustain the quest for a stable store of value.